of the celebrations witnessed a great military display watched by thousands. Steel-helmeted soldiers in their slick uniforms, armored cars and mounted guns. Such is the martial splendor of Afghanistan, poised to honor His Majesty the King, whose arrival everybody is waiting so eagerly. Punctually at 8:20 a.m., His Majesty arrived in the royal car. He was welcomed by His Royal Highness the Prime Minister and the Chief of the General Staff, and was offered a salute of 29 guns. Alighting from the car, His Majesty got into a jeep to inspect his faithful warriors. After the inspection, His Majesty got down and with the naked sword paid the homage to the great warrior, late Nadir Shah. His Majesty is under the royal canopy to take salute of the Afghan army. At 8:45 started the passing out parade of the royal troops. The Afghan army is the flower of the nation. The newly commissioned cadets, the young students of the military academy, short-term trainees, rows of policemen and grenadiers march past His Majesty to the accompaniment of the military tunes of the Afghan bands. And then the heavy anti-aircraft guns. Groups of aeroplanes dived in formation, showering congratulatory leaflets all around. There are also the qualified recruits of the police school and a body of the police force. And these famous batteries, famous on account of the part they played in the struggle for independence.